Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have t raised to power 6 is equal to 2 raised to power 6, and here we have to solve for the value of t. So t is the unknown we have to solve for. Now to do this, solution. So we have t raised to power 6 is equal to 2 raised to power 6. So the first thing we're going to do is to move 2 raised to power 6 over to this side. So we have t raised to power 6 minus 2 raised to power 6 is equal to 0. Now we can express power 6 as 3 times 2. So this becomes t raised to power 3 times 2 minus 2 raised to power 3 times 2 is equal to 0. With this, applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b times c, this equals in brackets a raised to power b or raised to power c. Applying this rule right here and here also, what we have is this, in brackets t raised to power 3 or raised to power 2 minus in brackets 2 raised to power 3 or raised to power 2 is equal to 0. So from here we have difference of 2 squared. So if you have difference of 2 squared, a squared minus b squared, this is equal to in brackets a minus b multiplied by a plus b. But then, in this case, the value of a is equal to t raised to power 3, while the value of b is equal to 2 raised to power 3. So, expanding this, we have in brackets a t raised to power 3 minus b 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by a t raised to power 3 plus b 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Now, at this junction, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So we have t raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3 equals 0, or t raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. With this, let's first solve this first question, that we have t raised to power 3 minus 2 raised to power 3 equals 0. From here, what we have is difference of 2 cubed. If you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to, in brackets, a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. And in this case, the value of a is equal to t, while the value of b is equal to 2. So therefore, expanding this, what we have is, in brackets, a is t minus b is 2 multiplied by a squared. A is t, so t squared plus a is t, then multiplied by b is 2 plus b squared, that is 2 squared, all is equal to 0. So from here, we have, in brackets, t minus 2 multiplied by t squared plus t times 2, 2t plus 2 squared is 4, all is equal to 0. Now, at this junction, we can simply equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So we have t minus 2 equals 0, or t squared plus 2t plus 4 is equal to 0. So from here, let's first simplify this. We have t minus 2 is equal to 0. Move minus 2 over to this side. What we have as the value of t is equal to plus 2. So with this, we have gotten the first solution for the value of t. Now, from this other equation, we can also get the other values of t. So right here, we have t squared plus 2t plus 4 is equal to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation, and to solve this, we'll make use of the quadratic formula, which is given by, with respect to t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, in this case right here, the value of a is equal to the coefficient of t squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is plus 2, while the value of c is the constant, which is plus 4. So therefore, expanding this, what we have as the value of t is then equal to minus b is 2, so minus 2 plus or minus square root b squared, b is 2, so 2 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 4 all over 2 times a is 1. With this, the value of t is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 minus 4 times 4 minus 16 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So t is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16 is minus 12 all over 2. With this, simplifying this further, the value of t is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, you can express root minus 12 as root minus 1 times root 12 all over 2. So therefore, t is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus root minus 1 is I times, we can express root 12 as root 4 times 3 all over 2. So with this, the value of t is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus I times root 4 is 2, then times root 3 all over 2. From this, 2, we divide 2, we have 1. 2, we also divide 2, we have 1. Such that the value of t is then equal to minus 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So, the second solution of t is equal to minus 1 plus I times root 3, while the third solution of t, right, is equal to minus 1 minus I times root 3. Now we've gotten the second solution and the third solution and also the first solution of t. So this one is from this first equation. So let us then simplify the other second equation. So we have from here that we have t raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. With this is in the form of sum of 2 cubed. If you have a cube, right, plus b cube, this is equal to, in bracket, a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So in this case, the value of a is equal to t, while the value of b is equal to plus 2. So therefore, expanding this, we have in bracket a is t plus b is 2 multiplied by a squared. A is t, so t squared minus a is t times b is 2 plus b squared. B is 2, so 2 squared, all is equal to 0. Now from here, we have t plus 2 multiplied by t squared minus t times 2, 2t plus 2 squared is 4, all is equal to 0. So from this, we have in bracket t plus 2 is equal to 0, or we have this t squared minus 2t plus 4 is equal to 0. Now from this first linear equation, move plus 2 over to this side, the value of t is equal to minus 2. So this is the fourth solution for the value of t. Now, for this other equation, in which we have a quadratic equation, let us solve for the value of t. Now, to solve for the value of t, we are going to make use of the quadratic formula, which is given by t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, in this case, the value of a is the coefficient of t squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is minus 2, while the value of c is the constant, which is plus 4. So therefore, from here, the value of t is then equal to minus, b is minus 2 plus or minus square root b squared, b is minus 2, so minus 2 all squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 4 all over 2 times a is 1. With this, the value of t is then equal to minus times minus 2 is plus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 1 times 4 is minus 16, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So with this, what we have as the value of t is then equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16 is minus 12 all over 2. So from here, we can express root minus 12. So t is equal to 2 plus or minus. We can express root minus 12 as root minus 1 times root 12 all over 2, such that from here, the value of t is then equal to 2 plus or minus root minus 1 is I times, we can write root 12 as root 4 times 3 all over 2. So with this, t is then equal to 2 plus or minus I times root 4 is 2, then times root 3 all over 2. So with this, what will happen is 2 will divide 2, we have 1. 2 will also divide 2, we have 1. Such that the value of t is then equal to 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So from here, the fifth solution for t is equal to 1 plus I times root 3, while the sixth solution for t is equal to 1 minus I times root 3. So we've gotten the fifth and the sixth solution for the value of t. Okay, so with this, we've gotten all the solution for the value of t. Now, by the way, why do we have six solution of t? It is because from the question, right, right here, the power is power of 6. So definitely, we are going to have six solutions for the values of t. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.